Come across one video a while ago. I was trying to stitch it, but I can't. So if you know a long distance relationship, come gather here. Gather here. We give us some time to gather here. All right. Anyway, so the lady basically she lives in London and he lives in Ghana. And she is from Ghana also. I think you call him Ghanaian. I don't know, but anyway, she's from Ghana. And she said they have been dating for a year and she's been sending money back home. They've never meet in person, but them always video call and them talk, so she knows them real. It's a real person, not a catfish. So she been sending them been together for a year, and she been sending money back to Ghana to rent an apartment, and she bought a car. The money go to him to buy the car and stuff. Just because she wanted to have a car when she go back home. She met this guy through her friend. She said yesterday her friend called her and tell her, say, the guy got married. Rule number one, my TikTok basically is based on my long distance relationship. The first video I had that went viral was based on my long distance relationship, and a couple others based on that. Rule number one, when you're in our long distance relationship, stop sending money. Anytime you deal with them people and they always want money, 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 big red flag. Big red flag. Me now say when you go back home from wherever, America, Canada, England, I'm not saying you can't buy him or buy she. Me now just speak for a woman alone, me I speak on behalf of men too. When you now go back home, me now say you can't bring a suitcase with stuff, clothes and stuff for them, you know. But come on. You can't deal with nobody where every day them want money. One thing about me, not even little credit me not send come give. How did you put credit on your phone before me? Me like if you tell me say your granny sick, if you never know me, or your granny would have gone like that. If you never know me, all of that would have happened. You don't need to wise up and use on the head. You can't deal with nobody and every minute they want money from you. Just money, money, money. So using the head, man. You don't need for buying a love. If somebody love you, them will genuinely love you. With or without, you are send money come give them.